Once there was a town called plain old Verb Town. The people there were always saying that they were bored of just using plain old verbs. Verb here, verb there, verb everywhere. Verb Town people said there must be a way to add some vibrancy to this town, to add some salt to the taste bad food. They reached out, calling people from the part of speech town to come and modify their plain old verb town. Many people who love sweets saw the message and jumped at the invitation to come and live in Verb Town. The two sets of people united forces and existed happily ever after.